Hey, I'm Fish. I'm shooting with the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. I don't understand the autofocus area of wide and focus and select focus point on off, and it's dead center. And when I do my reviews, product showcase not on. Trying to focus on this. What does it focus on? My hand, my sleeve, and everything else just gets out of focus. I got to figure it out. But I'm here talking technology. We all have a Fulaim X5. Some of us do. And not most show issues about the product. I contacted the company and I heard back, but I haven't heard back afterwards. I now contacted the company. Most likely it's their weekend already in there, and I'll hear back when the beginning of the week comes, hopefully. And I got to make a video of it for them. So this is the Fulaim microphone. I clip it on, off I go. I'm using a DJI mic, so I could tap this, do what I want, but the mic's over here, external. Let me explain the problem. It doesn't matter what setting I have on the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. I believe I gotta look for it, 15 through 17, and the receiver's on 3. I think I put it down to 2 now, and off I go with excellent sound quality. Everybody says I have excellent sound quality on a budget mic. This is the microphone. Let's see if it focuses on. Yeah. It's what it looks like, right? I turn it on and I get audio. And let me kind of show you what the audio is about. Turn it on, and then I'm going to turn this off, and then you're going to hear this. And I keep it always on noise canceling. That all live. I don't want to go and edit the video. I may cut it out, and you won't see parts in there of me pausing. Did you hear anything different? This mic and that mic. Well, this would just be like that, gobbling, staticky, like it gave. That's the only way I could express the microphone. I own this since September, and I had a great run with it. I really did. If you don't know, let me shut this off. Thought I had it off. There we go. If you don't know, you can get replacement microphones. Now, I have DJI as well, the DJI mic too. But in general, nobody complains like the Fish. I tell you what's out loud inside, my thoughts out loud. And maybe you have the same or similar problem. I have the DJI mic receiver plus transmitter, the one kit. I don't have the standalone. And when I have the receiver and can't get it to go on fast enough, it takes forever. And it looks like the screen is trying to turn on. It's very dull, and then it comes on. Also, when it was off, it would go immediate flash on the left-hand side of the receiver screen, a very thin line. When I updated the firmware, that line went to the opposite side. I'm not sure what was happening. I sent it back. I'm getting another one. Yes. But outside in the real world and the field, depending on where you're at, you may run into interference. And it does happen. So I do get cut-ins and cutouts. And if I got the mic here and my hand just went in front, it cut out. Well, I tell you, that mic is awesome. The standalone, are you blurring? And this, oh man, they work hand in hand. And let me tell you, that's a good reason to get one. If you have a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the mic 2, you could use it for both. But if you don't have a Pocket 3 and you just got the Action 4, you want to look at one. It acts as a remote control as well, turning the shutter on and off. And I'm happy with that. Now, I'm thinking down the road, a Pocket 3. But I got back there a gimbal. Put the gimbal on, off I go. But I also want the auto tracking. Can't have it all. So I don't want to have all this mess. And I swear the Pocket 3 may be the winner. And that's what you have to look at. Do you want to have separate things or all in one? Low light performance and auto tracking. Not perfected yet. Some way down the line, maybe it will be. It is what it is. That's where you hold the remote and you spin it on the gimbal and you do your work. Well, the older we get, the less we want. And we just basically look the other way. We deal with what we got. I hope I kind of made some sense to you, because now I got to go back and use an editor. And I'm going to use a different editor, a recent one. And hopefully, when I come to that export, I won't get locked out again. I'll learn to save it the next time. And I'll edit it and use it and enjoy it. But when I do my main work, yeah, I updated Cyberlink Powerdirector 22, and still the blur is not fixed. I don't get it. General things, little bugs and issues, don't let them annoy you. On that note, I know who I am. Hope to see you on the next video. I'm Fish, if you didn't know. Subscribe, like. Did you notice that button light up when you hit it? Don't abuse it. Have a great day.